Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. Let's make a cozy Italian style turkey orzo soup. I'm heating a Dutch oven over medium heat and adding 1 to 2 tablespoons, that's 15 to 30 milliliters of olive oil. Once the oil warms up, in go my chopped vegetables. 1 cup or 150 grams of diced onion, 1 cup or 130 grams of diced carrots, and 1 cup or 100 grams of diced celery. Now I'll give these a good stir together, and I'm going to saute these for 5 to 6 minutes until they soften. Now I'm adding 3 cloves of minced garlic, and I'm cooking that for about 30 seconds to a minute. You don't want to overcook that because garlic does have a tendency to want to try to burn. Next, I'm stirring in 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of tomato paste. Now I'm pouring in 1 pound of chopped tomatoes. That I had some chopped tomatoes here, or you can add 1 14.5 ounce can, or that's 411 grams of diced tomatoes. Now add 2 cups or 300 grams of diced potatoes. These are Yukon Gold. I really like the texture of those. We'll just add those into the mixture. One teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 3 to 4 fresh sprigs of thyme. If you don't have fresh, you can use a half a teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 bay leaf, and this is completely optional. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Everything gets topped with 6 cups of chicken stock, and that's 1.4 liters. I'll give this all a stir, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are almost tender. Now it's time for the orzo. I'm adding a half a cup or 90 grams of uncooked orzo. I'll cover it again and let it simmer for another 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick. Once the orzo is cooked, I'm adding 2 pounds, or that's 900 grams, of diced turkey breast. You can use the dark meat if that's what you got. I had a lot of the turkey breast left over here, and I'm going to add that in now. Now I've got 1 cup, or that's 150 grams, of frozen peas. I'm going to let the turkey and the peas heat up for just a few minutes. Now we need to remove the bay leaf and those sprigs of thyme. And that's it. Rich, comforting Italian turkey orzo soup, ready to serve. You can add a little bit of Parmesan on the top of it if you like. And for another pop of color, you can garnish it with a little bit of chopped parsley. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.